Hello everybody and welcome to another unboxing video, and today's item we are unboxing is the BERTA Professional Salon Grade Hair Dryer. Its features are lightweight, powerful, and quiet. BERTA technology combines high heat and powerful airflow, which works together to speed up drying time while also minimizing the potential of heat damage to your hair. It is a 1875 watt high-speed drying and uniform heat dispersing technology. 2 speeds, 3 temperatures. It's got high and low, and it's got hot, medium, and cold. It's got instant cold shot button sets and locks in style with easy removable rear filter. Includes 3 accessories: the concentrator, the diffuser, and the styling pick. It's 1-year replacement, 2-year warranty. BERTA is the top choice for professional hair dryers. So let's crack this open and take a nice look at it. Oh wow, look at that. It's boxed perfectly. Alright, so this right here is the styling pick. Okay, we'll set that there. This is the diffuser. Yeah, this is the diffuser. No. Yes, this is the diffuser. And this is the concentrator. So we got all 3 of these attachments here. The pick, the diffuser, and the concentrator. Alright, so it comes with a instruction manual and a way to get the warranty. And let's pull out the hairdryer. I do got a power cord here ready. Oh wow, this looks really nice. Oh wow. Alright, so they just slide right on like so. Oh, they clip in. There we go, look at that. And it does have a removable back. How do I remove it? Like so. So you can clean the filter out, everything. That's nice. That is really nice, actually. And then to remove the nozzles, you just pull it off. Alright, so let's get this plugged in and try it out. It does got a reset and a test button. Off and low. This is low. Hey puppy. Haha. Now high. Ooh. Alright, so the heat setting is currently on high. My puppy's running around. There's a medium. Ooh, and a low. Ooh, it's nice and warm instead of the hot. Now, it does have a cold shot. I am feeling cold air. And now let's put this on. Oh, wow. This is really blowing. And then there's this low. It does have an off button, and as you see here, it does got the buttons right here. Currently this is off. Cold shot. My hair looks funky fresh. So hairdryer works. This is really nice. It does look professional grade and all that. I will leave a link in the description below if you guys want to try this out for yourselves, if you want to get it for yourselves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, that is okay. If you guys want to know when I upload my next video, hit the subscribe button. If you want to know exactly when I upload my video, hit that little bell button. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.